السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في قناة Arab English Learning. كتاب Primary 5 Activity Book 25-26 لترم 1. كتاب Connect Plus Unit 2 Activity Book Part 2. Let's start. Page 24, Lesson 3, Man-Made Wonders of Africa. Exercise 1, look and choose the correct answer, A or B. The first one is paintings in a cave, North Africa. 2. Ruins of Great Zimbabwe. 3. The Canopy Walk, Rwanda. Exercise 2, match the questions and answers. Exercise 1, in which country are the Sphinx and the temples of Abu Simbel? It's C, Egypt. 2. What can you see on rocks and inside some caves in North Africa? E. Paintings of animals and people. 3. How do archaeologists think that the Sahara Desert has changed? B. They think it wasn't as dry in the past as it is now. 4. When did people build the city of Great Zimbabwe? G. Between the 11th and the 15th centuries. 5. What is the African's language? Monument made of? D. Stone columns. 6. In which countries do people speak the African's language? A. South Africa and Namibia. 7. What is special about the Canopy Walk in Nyungwe National Park in Rwanda? F. It's 74 meters above the ground.
Circle T, true, or F, false. Correct the false sentences. Listen and check. 1.
The Fish River Canyon is in the desert in Namibia. True.
2.
It is the largest canyon in the world. False. It is the second largest canyon in the world. The largest canyon is the Grand Canyon in the USA.
3.
It is more than 160 kilometers long and 500 meters deep. True.
4.
Wind has eroded the canyon. False. Water from a river has eroded the canyon.
5.
You can sometimes see zebras walking in the canyon. True.
Exercise 4. Choose one of these natural or man-made wonders of Africa. Do some research in books or on the internet. Write a short description in your notebook to share with the class. So we have here different places in different countries. You can search one of them and answer the following questions. I chose from this picture Red Sea Coral Reef, Egypt. So I answered the questions according to this picture. Is it a natural or a man-made wonder? It is natural. Who built it or what made it? It was made by God, so I can't answer all these questions. How old is it? I can answer where is it? It is in the Red Sea in Egypt. What can you see there? You can see coral reef and different kinds of colorful fish. How do you feel when you see it? I feel excited. What is unusual or special about it? Diving is really special in this place. You can make another search on another picture. Use the internet to help you. Page 26, Lesson 4. Story, the Stormchaser. Do the crossword. 1. Stormchaser. 2. Thunderstorm. Down. 3. Cross, hurricane. 4. Flood, down. 5. Snow, down. 6. Dust storm, cross. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences with the words in the crossword. These words. 1. The Stormchaser followed the thunderstorm in his car. 2. The hurricane was white and it looked like ice cream. 3. The thunderstorm was very noisy, the sky was black, and it rained all the afternoon. 4. After the dust storm, there was a lot of dust on my parents' new car. 5. During the snow, there were winds of 150 kilometers per hour. 6. After 2 days of rain, there was a flood and there was water in the roads. Page 27, Exercise 3. Complete the summary of the student's book story with the missing sentences. We will use A, B, C, or D to complete this summary. Kamal's parents are storm chasers. They travel to places to study and photograph extreme weather. D. 2 years ago, Kamal and his parents flew to the USA where they could study hurricanes. This was the first time Kamal saw a hurricane. The wind was very strong and very loud. Kamal wasn't frightened. 2. He was very excited. Kamal's parents got out of the car to study the hurricane. Kamal stayed inside the car, E, and took a lot of photos, so I'll put E here. Since then, Kamal has been to lots of places with his parents. He has seen floods in Sudan. B. He has seen amazing dust storms in the desert too. He has learned a lot about global warming. F. He has taken hundreds of photos. Last year he sent his photos to an online competition. 6. C. He won first prize for photographers aged 10. Exercise 4. Read again and write short answers. 1. Has Kamal traveled to USA? Yes, he has. 2. Was Kamal frightened when he saw his first hurricane? No, he wasn't. 3. Have Kamal's parents been to Sudan? Yes, they have. 4. Has Kamal been to the desert? Yes, he has. 5. Did Kamal enter a writing competition last year? No, he didn't. 6. Did Kamal win first prize for photographers for children? Yes, he did. Page 28, Lesson 5, Volcanoes. Exercise 1. Complete the words with the missing letters. 1. Lava. 2. Ash. 3. Mud flow. 4. Erupt. 5. Soil. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences with the words in Exercise 1. 1. The hot red lava quickly came down the side of the volcano. 2. If the volcanoes erupt, fire and rocks will come out of the top of it. 3. After 3 days of rain, a heavy mud flow came down the side of the big mountain. 4. In a few months, the seeds we planted in the soil will grow into small trees. 5. When the fire stopped burning, there was lots of ash on the ground.
3. Complete the verses with the words that rhyme. There are 2 extra words. Listen and check.
Let me take you to the pretty island of Java, where almost everything is made of lava. It comes from Java's volcanoes, which look down on the villages below. When they erupt, there's ash and fire. Smoke fills the air, going higher and higher. The island people have to go away to a safe place where they can stay.
Page 29. Exercise 4. Find, circle, and write 6 words that rhyme with Volcanoes. Listen and check. 1. Grows. 2. Goes. 3. Snows. 4. Knows. 5. Flows. 6. Knows. 5. Match the words with the same sound. Listen and check. 1.
Fire. Higher.
2.
39. Online.
3.
Away. Stay.
4.
Goes. Flows.
5.
Look. Book.
6.
Blood. Mud.
6. Read the poem and circle the rhyming words. Listen and check. Can you answer the question?
Have you ever seen a volcano? Some say yes and some say no. I don't live on the island of Java, where everything is made of lava. I live in a rainforest, wet and hot, where it rains a lot. I live up in the big tall trees, high up in the canopy. I'm not a bird and I can't fly, but I live where it's very high. What am I?
Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. ما تنسوش تتابعوا القناة وتعملوا سبسكرايب عشان يوصلك كل فيديو جديد عن نفس اليونت أو اللي قبله، ولايك and share عشان غيرك يستفيد. See you very soon. Bye.